Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to mute the ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. And okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, you can see the mute, and on the right side you can see the switch button. To mute, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully mute the ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.